I start with my ILIA True Skin Serum Foundation in SF3 Texel using the Vapour foundation brush, which gives the best flawless finish and is so easy to use. Next, I use the Vapour Aura Multistick in Intrigue for a hint of pink on my cheeks. I really like the Vapour bronzer in Eclipse applied with their powder brush for a little depth and warmth. I apply it around my temples and for a little bit of contouring and on the jawline. Next, I use the KOSAS highlighter from the KOSAS Tropic Equinox duo. I love their highlighters for glow without glitter or shimmer. I put it all the places the sun would hit, my cheekbones and down the bridge of my nose. I love the Ecobrow Defining Wax in Marilyn to help define my face. As you can see, it makes such a difference. Sorry I'm looking away. I need my magnifying mirror for some things. These shadows from ILIA are really mistake-proof and come in the prettiest colors. You just apply a little bit and blend them out with your fingers or a brush. Here I'm using the shade Fresco. The ILIA mascara is our top-selling product and truly the best mascara I have ever used, clean or not. It lengthens, defines, never runs, smudges, or flakes. Finally, my new favorite lip bees are the RMS Tinted Daily Lip Balms, and I'm loving this subtle hot pink Peacock Lane.